Good morning, students. Let us start with chapter number 8 in OC Financial Management. Introduction. Let us see the introduction, definitions, introduction, concept and definition of financial management, and the characteristics. Okay, we'll see only these three topics today: introduction, concept and definition of financial management, and characteristics. So let us start with introduction. In simple words, management of finance means financial management. Finance is a finance is a blood of the finance is like a blood in the business unit. As you know that without blood the human being cannot survive. As the blood is important in the human body, in the same way the finance is important for the business. If there is no blood, the human being cannot survive. In the same way, if there is no finance, the business unit cannot survive. Business cannot be started without adequate finance. As I told you, without finance business unit cannot survive. So we can say that finance is the foundation stone of each business. Finance is like a foundation stone of each business. Finance is required to continue all the activities which are needed to be done to run the business unit. So for doing each and every transaction of the business, for doing each and every activity and functions of business, we require finance. So if we want to do that all the business transactions takes place smoothly on time, we will require finance. In fact, they say money is the pivot around which all the economic activities rotate. Definitely. Money is the only thing around which all the economic activities go on rotating and rotating. Now, financial management, they say, is also one of the managerial activity, okay, and their activity is related to planning and controlling the finance resources. Okay, so financial management is a managerial activity which is related to planning and controlling financial resources. Financial management takes the decisions of all the financial related matters. Okay, financial management deals with all the matters related with finance, and they see that the optimum utilization of finance takes place. They see that the optimum utilization of finance takes place. No finance should be wasted. So that was the introduction of financial management. So what we saw in introduction, first of all, in simple words, management of finance is financial management. Finance is the blood of business, as blood is important in the human body. In the same way, as blood is important in the human body, in the same way finance is important for the business. Without finance the business cannot survive. So we can say that the finance is the foundation stone of each business. Okay, finance is required to continue the business transactions. Without finance we cannot do any activity of business or any transactions of business. Next we saw that the money is the pivot around which all the economic activities rotate. Then last topic that we saw in introduction is financial management is a managerial activity, okay, which is related to planning and controlling of financial resources. And financial management sees that uh, all the finance resources are utilized properly. There are optimum utilization of resources, and financial management deals with all the finance related matters. So that was the introduction of financial management. Now let us see the concept and definition of financial management. First of all, concept. Financial management means management of finance functions in routine activities. Okay, financial management means management of finance, where for management of finance functions in routine activities. Next they say financial management includes all the aspects of financial activities of business. In short, financial management includes all the matters that are related with the financial activities of business. And next one, financial management takes the decisions and implement them. Financial management takes the decisions related to finance and executes them, that is implements them. Okay, so that is the concept and definition of financial management. Once again, what is concept? Financial management means management of finance functions in routine activities. Then financial management includes all the aspects of financial activities of business. And last, financial management takes decisions related to finance and implements them. So this is about the concept of financial management. Now let us see the definition of financial management. First definition, according to F.W. Page. Okay, the in modern economy, based on utilization of funds, financial management means acquiring of required funds at required time. Okay, according to F.W. Page, in the modern economy, based on utilization of funds, financial management means acquiring of required finance at required time. Second one, according to Raymond J. Chambers, financial management means to take decisions about financial matters, to implement them smoothly, and to review them. Okay, financial matters means to take decisions regarding the finance, implement them smoothly and review them. And last one, according to Professor M. Kimball. According to Professor M. Kimball, financial management means acquisition of funds, its optimum utilization and its appropriate allocation. Acquisition, optimum utilization and appropriate allocation. Three words you need to remember. Financial management means acquisition of fund, its optimum utilization and its appropriate allocation. Okay, all the above definition clarify that the field of financial management is very wide, that it covers all the financial decisions of business. Okay, so from all the above definition we can say that the scope of financial management is really very wide. It covers all the financial decisions of business right from the inception of business to its end. Means it covers all the financial decisions of the business right from the establishment of the business till the business unit comes to end. Whatever the financial decisions are to be made will be made by the financial management. Okay, now the characteristics of financial management. Just a second. Let us see the characteristics of financial management. First characteristics, branch of management. Financial management is a branch of management which includes the function of planning and controlling for the use of finance. Okay, financial management is one of the important branch of management. That is why they have given branch of management, that financial management is one of the important branch of management which does the function of planning and controlling of finance. Okay, so branch of management, first one, financial management is an important branch of management which includes the function of planning and controlling for the use of finance. Second one, wide scope. The scope of financial management is very wide. It includes it includes acquisition of fund, maximum utilization of fund, proper allocation of fund and planning and controlling of funds. Okay, so that is why we can say that the scope of financial management is very wide, that it includes the acquisition of funds, maximum utilization of funds, proper allocation of funds and its planning and controlling. It covers all the financial operations right from the inception, means establishment, right from the establishment of the business to its end. Okay, so the financial management covers all the financial operations or all the financial decisions right from the establishment of the business unit till the business unit will come to an end. Next one, based on managerial decisions. Financial management provides a base for managerial decision. Yes, some of the managerial decision is based on the financial management. Okay, that is why they have written financial management provides a base Financial management provides a base for managerial decisions. Decisions regarding production, sales, research, development, etc. are based on financial management. It is related to money. How much production? It how much finance do we have? Accordingly, we will do production, right? So, financial management provides a base for managerial decisions. Decision regarding production, sales, research, development, etc. are based on financial management. Fourth one, relation with financial decisions. Relation with financial decisions. Financial management is related with decision making of investment, capital structure, and dividend policy. In the process of decision making, financial management use the modern mathematical techniques, okay, related with financial relation with financial decision. Financial management is related with decision making of investment, capital structure, and dividend policy. And while making this decision, the financial management uses the modern mathematical techniques. So, definitely financial management is related with the financial decisions of investment, capital structure, and dividend policy. And whenever this type of decisions are made by financial management, they uses the modern mathematical techniques to make this particular decisions. Next one, goal of maximization of owners' economic welfare. The goal, the objective of financial management is to increase the economic welfare of owners. Okay, the objective of financial management is to increase the owners' economic welfare. And how they can do it? By two ways they can do it. First, by profit maximization, and second, by wealth maximization. Okay, so the main objective of financial management is to increase the welfare of the owners. And how they can do it? One, by profit maximization, and second, by wealth maximization. Next one, key position means important position. Definitely financial management has an important position in the organizational structure of the business unit. Okay, or financial management is one of the managerial activity that holds the key position or important position in the organizational structure of business unit. Next one, seventh one, relation with other areas of management. Definitely financial management is related with the other areas of management. Okay, because some of the activities of the financial management is dependent on the some of the activities of business unit is dependent on the financial management. Okay, which are those activities? See, most of the activities of business such as production, sales, marketing, research, etc. are connected with finance. So, they are connected with financial management, right? Most of the activities of business such as production, sales, marketing, research, development, etc. are connected with finance. So, definitely financial management is connected with the other areas of management. So, according to the above interpretation, we can say that financial management is related with the other areas of management such as production management, such as marketing management, research management, personnel management. And one more line they have added over there, that is financial management. One more sentence which is added over there is financial management will be more flexible in formulating production policy and sales policy if the financial management has sufficient funds. Okay, the financial management will be more flexible in formulating production policy and sales policy if the financial management has sufficient funds. So, we can definitely say from above interpretation that financial management is related with the other areas of management such as production management, marketing management, and personnel management. And last one, division into two parts. Yes, financial management can be divided into two parts: long term fixed capital and working capital. Okay, financial management can be divided into two parts. Example, management of long term fixed capital and management of working capital. Okay, fixed capital management aims at expansion of fixed assets. Okay, or we can say fixed capital deals with the fixed assets such as building, machinery, land, factory, etc. While as working capital management is necessary for day to day routine activities or day to day routine expenditure. Okay, so division into two parts. Financial management can be divided into two parts, that is fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital plans for expansion of fixed assets such as building, machinery, land, etc., while working capital management is necessary for day to day routine activities or day to day expenditure which is required for to do routine activities. Okay, so that is division into two parts. So here we complete with the characteristics of financial management. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow means Monday, we will continue with the objectives of financial management. Thank you.